Okay, this is our last story, and it is just, I don't know what to make of it. I'm bringing it to you, Will, because you're going to make sense of it. A woman in Detroit says that her entire front porch was stolen from her house.
Oh.
Her entire front porch, and I'm not saying things that are on the porch. I'm saying the porch.
So it got dug up?
So she went on social media. She's like, I came home and my porch is gone. And I need to get to the bottom of this. And she's in distress. And she's like, look, I know you guys think this is funny, but actually I need to figure out what happened to my porch here.
What happened?
Well, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the original post. And she says, I just want to know how they stole it. And ain't nobody see them steal your porch. And what the police say when you called. Look at that photo. It's gone.
The stairs?
The stairs, the railings, and the porch. Look, the door, there's nothing there. She can't get up to her door.
Oh.
That's like 6 steps. So there's a little video clip of what was left over. It's high, man. You can't, she has to use a ladder now. You see the ladder leaned? She has to use a ladder to get up to the front door right now. Look at that. Now, This one is weird for me because I can't figure out, well, like everyone else, I can't figure out why you would do this. And then on the flip side, if my mind goes conspiratorial, I can't figure out why you would fake this, of all the things to fake. So, you tell me, Will, what happened here? Is the porch stolen? If so, holy, what a weird, you're stealing porches now. It's heavy, and is it worth it? And then if the person, because she did start a GoFundMe, and she was trying to get $1,000 to replace the porch. So I can see people wanting to make the counter. People love to get conspiratorial that maybe she just wanted a new porch or the fame or something. I'm not saying that. I'm saying this is too crazy. I can't even imagine a person wanting to do that.
A lot of work goes into stealing a porch. Surprising enough. I mean, you have the stairs.
It looks like it's concrete. You can get those steps that they're concrete, right? So heavy.
To dig it out. You have the grass. You steal the grass and the dirt.
Well, I don't think there was grass underneath this particular porch. No, I think it was pretty nasty under there, but
I was thinking this stuff.
Oh yeah, I guess. They had to yank it off of there, you're right. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say. This is
I'm in shock as well.
Is it a prank? I can't figure out what's happening to me reading this, what I'm supposed to believe here, but for the sake of it, I guess I'll just say, okay, somebody stole the porch, and then I feel bad for everybody involved. I feel bad.
Even the porch pirate?
Yeah, but a real porch pirate.
Yeah.
An actual porch pirate.
Literally.
Yeah, why are you stealing a porch, man? You can't be in your right mind. A lot of things got to go wrong for you to be in a position to be stealing a porch, of all things. So, good luck to everybody involved. I hope she's able to on the GoFundMe. Let me just click on it. I'm sure she got enough to get a new porch. Oh, she only got $240 right now.
Oh no.
She needs $11.50 for the porch. She's only got 10 donors right now. That's wow. Material and labor for stolen porch created 1 day ago.
She also got a t-shirt.
How do I donate for the porch over here? I'll give her a few dollars for the porch. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I hope it's real. Anyway, that's the internet in 2021. That's life in 2021. I hope it's real.